Hey guys, welcome to the Elementor Pro widget tutorial. Today we're going to cover the Marquee widget that's been a part of the Elementor 7.0 update. When it comes to inline animations with an infinite loop system, Marquee helps you easily apply that kind of animation to your texts or images. Inserting the Marquee widget loads the default text animation that animates right from the left. From the options, you can change the scroll time to increase or decrease the animation speed. Also, you can flip the animation direction from right to left to right. Activating the pause and hover switcher stops the animation as soon as your visitor hovered their cursor over it. The List Marquee section is where all the Marquee items are listed inside as little boxes. You may click on the Add Item button to add more items to the list. Each item box here contains a content field where you need to put your text, and there is a color option for that text. For the sake, let's add a couple more titles. Then go back to the first section and adjust the scroll speed. Then back into the list section. Let's apply individual colors to the items for a better view. Look at that. The show is on with new colors. Now into the Style tab, you'll find a color option on top which acts on all titles here if you have not chosen a color individually. There are some more options like background type, padding, margin, and border available down here. With the typography option, you can start customizing the font style for the titles. Coming back to the first section in Content tab, you can change the Marquee type from texts to images if you want to animate image. Choosing image pops an additional image size option here. Also, the item boxes transform into image boxes, and each box lets you pick an image for the display. Like the text before, you can add more item boxes to onboard more images. Once the list is done, go back to the initial section and adjust the image size to your liking. Also, you can adjust the animation time to speed up a little. Now, the Style tab will let you customize the height and width of the images so you can place them better. And that's all for the Marquee widget that we wanted to show you in this video. Give a thumbs up to this video if you think it helped you. Please subscribe and share this channel and get updates on new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.